for some homemade tacos. Pork chops. Flour tortilla. The chili. The hot saucy. Alright. Oven should be on. Da-dum, ba-da-bum. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da. Da-da-da. Da-da. Little chicken there too. Just a little. Alright. The cheese. Yeah. Oh yeah. All right, and the oven. Oops. Let me see this view. Oh, look at this sexiness. This is magic. Please, SpaceX. This is a must. Alright. Time for the oven. Bada bing. Bada boom. Haha, from video. Timer. Where we at? 10 minutes? I'm gonna do a quick little. Let's see here. I want them soft this time. They're a little too crunchy. 4 minutes. Pew! Pew! Now this is the Russian pickle. The pickle from the Russia. Very nice, very juicy. Extra juicy. I like. All right. Till next time. Jingle.